Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. So first of all, let me just open up my Amazon, and once you are in, the first thing that you need to do is to tap on the search icon on the top of your screen, and then you just need to search for Amazon Reload. And once you have searched for this, as you can see on the top, we also have Alexa's answer where it will explain the same thing that I will going to show you. So you just need to tap on the first one, which is amazon.com gift card balance. And once you tap on this, we need to scroll down and now simply select the amount that your Visa card worth. So let's say it is $100. So simply select and tap on this buy now button. Once you do so, this will take you to the checkout page, and you just need to enter all of your Visa gift card details right in these boxes and tap on add and continue on the bottom of your screen. Once you do so, the Visa gift card balance will automatically deduct it by Amazon for the amount that you have choose earlier. So that's the whole process of how you can add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account.